Finding people that you trust in the industry is really important, people that are transparent and willing to share, and that are good partners. Hi, I'm Jonathan Guiney, a Global Reliability and Asset Management Lead for JLL. From a leadership perspective, we've done a lot to bring everything together to help to consolidate, to help drive best practices, to help standardize work processes and all those different bits and pieces. I think from a journey perspective, having really good foundational leadership that can help to build a culture has ultimately helped JLL to drive the effectiveness and ultimately being able to sustain that for the long term. A leadership that's committed to the processes, the procedures, making sure that we have line of sight to the end goal in our strategies and aim as an organization has been super important for us, right? So it gives us the opportunity to continue, right? It helps us to continue to drive scale throughout our organization, being super effective in delivering the outcomes that our clients want. And then the homegrown piece of it is, now that we've built out and established a program, we can begin to scale it over a period of time. So we are constantly bringing on new implementations, we're bringing in new clients that we're working for, we're bringing in new individuals, whether they're seasoned professionals, they have some experience, or they have no experience at all, right? It's all about how do we find the right person. We talked a little bit about aptitude. We talked about, having a gut feeling around the right type of person that's going to integrate well. We want people that are obviously smart and intelligent, that understand processes and have really strong attention to detail. That's what we look for when we look for people and that we think are going to be a good addition to the team.